Good morning, traders. I wanted to bring you a brief update on Bitcoin. We're having some really massive price action taking place right now. And I don't know about the volume with that, but I do know, volume's looking pretty good here, pretty decent so far. So what's happening here, guys, is we are having negotiations taking place, of course, regarding Ukraine, and the market is trying to price in what they anticipate might be the outcome of these negotiations. Of course, the market then is pretty optimistic. Now, should the negotiation talks go sideways or even down, then we'll look at what might happen with Bitcoin price action today or this week. All right, but that's what's happening right now. And so let's jump into our charts and take a look. And you can see right here that Bitcoin has currently come up into an area of confluence, a good area of confluence, as that 20-day has met or coincided with a significant level of resistance at 40,870-ish. So I don't expect that we'll conquer that level today. I think we're at the top right now, and the market has already priced in a positive outcome of the negotiation talks. Should there be anything less than a positive outcome of these negotiation talks, then look for us to go sideways. And obviously, if the negotiation talks fail, we will definitely come back down and definitely retest our black trend line, if not break it, depending upon how negative the outcome of these talks are. So everything is pending upon negotiation. Of course, what I'm drawing right now is what I expect to happen in the end regarding price. All right, and so I do believe that the market is a little bit overly optimistic, I would say, right now, and this price pump is too soon. Along with that, I mean, the charts are telling me we're up on resistance, and typically we do come back down and retest significant support. Now, I do want to review this real quick for those of you who are new. I've talked about this black line for quite some time, but many of you have probably not seen this. So this line came into play way back. I started drawing this in September of 2019. At that point, it was providing resistance. Now, once we broke our $20,000 Bitcoin price, that was a psychological barrier we broke. It took us 2 days, and we came right up into this area right here. All right, and we rested on this previous resistance, which is now support, for a little over a week. All right, provided good support there. We came down and tagged it again here, somewhere in June. Tagged it again here. Of course, January had its real test, but we never confirmed any movement below. And last week and the week prior, we have been testing that line. And I wouldn't be surprised, again, as I've already said, that we come back down and test that line one more time. All right, now that we've broken to the upside of this triangle again and are into resistance, would not surprise me with any neutral to negative outcome of these negotiations that we come back down, test that before we head up further. All right. So that's what we're looking at this week in terms of Bitcoin price action. And I just wanted to give a brief update. Might as well cover dollar and VIX real quick just to see what they're doing. On our way to our target up here is the dollar, of course, coming down a lot today. Again, this all has to do with the negotiation. And I expect VIX would be down greatly as well, and yes, it is. All right, it's up on the day, but still, this is all the right now has dropped during these negotiation talks. All right, so with the dollar down and the VIX down, what are the markets and Bitcoin going to do? They're going to go up. All right, so Once again, this is all pending talks, and we have to watch this closely and determine what the outcome is. And we'll catch up with you again in another video this week, guys. If you're watching these, and stay tuned for my updates. By the way, I would like to congratulate those of you who followed me in the last trade, Luna. And I put out a video earlier this week. Actually, it was my last video, guys. If you want to look at the chart there and what my analysis was, that was a free video for everybody. Though I myself was in this trade, and my paid subscribers, those of you who followed me in that trade, congratulations. We made almost 70% profits on that. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know. If you want to jump back, I'll put the video link up here on the chart. All right, have a good day, and we will talk to you soon.